Hello and welcome everyone to the brand new bootcamp course on the one of the most popular chess opening, the Sicilian defense. This is Sangam Mukherjee. I will be your instructor for this course. This course is all about complete discussion and analysis on Sicilian defense. I am pretty sure that if you play chess, then you definitely know about Sicilian defense. And if you don't familiar with it, then you definitely should know about this opening. That's why I make this giant course on Sicilian defense. First of all, let's discuss some history of this Sicilian defense. You should know that the most popular opening of the second half of 20th and the start of 21st century is the Sicilian defense. The 11th and 13th world champion, the legendary Bobby Fischer and the greatest Garry Kasparov made an enormous contribution to the growth in popularity of this Sicilian defense opening, winning brilliant games on both sides of the Sicilian. Now, who is the course for? This course is made for the player who wishes to develop a good and deep understanding of Sicilian defense and become expert in chess openings. In this full course, I will cover all the variations of Sicilian and analyze all possibility lines one by one. This course is designed from both whites and blacks point of view. So I hope you will like it and learn most from it. One thing I can say, after finishing this full course, you will become master in Sicilian defense. So that's all for this video. This video only gives you the basic introduction of this course. In the next video, I will discuss why to play Sicilian defense and what is the reason that this Sicilian defense is very popular in the chess world. So see you in my next video. Good luck.